Hey, welcome back. Now we're going to start with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite. And we're going to go with my brush number 12 or 14 with the spoolie at the end and the angle brush. I love to use the spoolie to make them look a little bit more natural. And then of course trying to get the other to match is always fun. Then we're going to go right in with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and use my Kat Von D brush in number 42. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer ever. And then we're going to take Milk Chocolate from the Chocolate Bar palette with a fluffy brush and throw that in my crease. And then we're going to take Semi Sweet with my fluffy Morphe brush and put that just underneath where I placed the milk chocolate color and in my outer V to give it a little bit of depth. Then we'll go in and take a flat shader brush and go in with the larger pan in the palette, White Chocolate, and highlight my brow bone. And then we'll go right in with Strawberry Bonbon and just place that all over my lid for just a little matte moment.
Today we're going to do a wear test. I've tried this once before and I can show you that footage, but I picked a terrible day to do it due to the fact that I had an allergist appointment and they had to do all this stuff to me in my face and my eyes were tearing. They had to stick things up my nose. It was just not a good day to do this. I opened this terribly when I first unboxed it because I couldn't figure out how to do it. So it's typically like this, but I definitely did it upside down. So here's the top. I'm Honey Medium 54, and then I broke it. Oops. Anyway, so here we go. Comes out just like this. Comes with a set of instructions. Apply 1 pump of Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I don't really use primer because I'm so sticky and oily. Next step is shake. I hear it, so this is like loose, almost watery. Using dot applicator, place 3 to 4 dots on face for best results. Start with less and blend before adding more. Buff with the Phase 3 buffing foundation brush using circular motion and blend seamlessly. I don't usually use a brush. I'm more of a sponge type of girl. So, here we go. I have this is a Real Live Beauty Blender that I just cleaned, so it's very damp and I like it. Round 2, here we go. I forgot this is not a pump. This is one of those wand things. Sorry, my nails are disgusting. I'm not good at painting them, and when I do, they chip. I swear I painted these like a night and a half ago. Open it. Just smells like kind of chemicals. And we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. And start buffing. Everyone tells me that a little bit goes a long way, so I'm trying not to overdo it. Maybe I should have used a primer. I like coconut, so maybe I'll buy that primer. All right, we'll do a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I see what they mean. A little bit does kind of go a long way. This blended out very nicely. It's so drippy. It's a little tacky, but it's not like sticky. Some foundations are really sticky without setting them. But I'm probably going to set it because I get very, very oily. And I don't think it would be normal if I don't set it. All right, time for my forehead. Oops. Leave it to me to get it in my already done eyebrows. That's just like me. Maybe I can fix that. Lesson learned, stay away from eyebrows. So let me fix that now because it looks awful. So sad because I was so excited to get this foundation because I love Kat Von D's, but it is thick and I feel like sometimes it does break me out. And I've heard such good things about this foundation. So we'll see. I can't complain yet. So far so good. We'll see how it wears. Now this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I like the other one better. I have the regular naked one. But I want to go a little bit more full coverage today since we're using a full cover foundation. See how it works together. I use Kat Von D's translucent setting powder. I love this stuff. It's like a holy grail for me. I'll make another video on this, but if it wasn't for her and her products, like I probably wouldn't even be into makeup. I'd be doing that thick line of eyeliner above and below my eye like I used to in high school. She's inspired me a lot. I understand it's a very touchy subject for a lot of people, but I wish she would vaccinate her kids. I do not stand behind her for that. But we're not going to get into it. Moving on. See, I have wrinkles under my eyes because I'm no longer 20. So what I tend to have to do is pull that just a little bit, which probably gives me more wrinkles, I know. So I can get that line in there so it doesn't crease. Why tap off the excess when everything can fly around your face? When you breathe in, you can choke on it. I also heard this stuff gives you really bad flashback, so we'll be checking that. Well, since I put it all over my face, you can't really tell. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back.
All right, and I'm going to go in with Triple Fudge and put that right under my lash line. I like smoky. Now I'm going to take my Hoola Benefit Bronzer and contour my cheeks, my jawline, a little bit on my forehead, and of course my nose. And then, of course, last but not least, when my eyeliner pen doesn't work out so well, it's a little bit dry, my idea is to just kind of lick it. Bad idea. I just need a new pen.
Oh, are you kidding? Honestly, my face feels very smooth. I don't know if it's the powder or the foundation or a combination. We'll see how long it lasts. We're gonna go back into Triple Fudge and make it just a little bit darker. This is the Inglot liner in the shade 77 Black. Take a little e.l.f. small angled brush. Use mine. These are CoverGirl. Oh, by the way, this is the Buxom No Name. I think I lost the sticker that said the name of the mascara. I'm really good at losing stickers, mostly because I bring this stuff with me sometimes. Like if I'm going out, like I'll shove, I actually had a mini one. I don't know where that went. But I'll put it in my purse with me, so when I go out, like I usually put on falsies as well. So I have like lash glue and mascara, everything just in case. You never know. I actually found a pair, I think they're just Ardell's. They're nothing serious, but I took them off and put them in a cigarette wrapper, box wrapper, the plastic, and tucked them away safely in my purse so I didn't lose them. I was wasted. This must have been a couple weeks ago, and I only found it last night when I switched out my bag. Responsible-ish. All right, going out shopping today. So, let's make sure I take this off. So this is my foundation. I think it looks fun. What the f is that? So sorry about that. Whatever it was, I fixed it. I would get something weird on my chin. And only because I saw Nikki Tutorials. I think she put this in her palette. I didn't get the Too Faced palette. I don't remember why. I think it just sold out really quickly. I wanted it, but she used Champagne Truffle and she used that in her palette as a highlighter. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, you know what? That's not bad. I see why she did that. I kind of really like it. Kind of really like that. Can you see that? Nothing. Champagne Truffle. Let's do this side. All right, I really like that. Hope I'm not going overboard. I wasn't even gonna do a highlight today. I like it. All right. Like I said, I wasn't gonna highlight or anything like the rest of my face. But since that worked out so well, I think I'm gonna put some just down the center of my nose. There we go. Maybe on my lip. This is the finished look for today. It's Marc Jacobs, 22 milliliters. This is instant full coverage, all day weightless wear, less is more. That's their little slogan. So we'll see how this works out. It is 11:51. So about 4 right before my game, I'll do another check-in. And then of course after my game, I might have cried. So I might be crying off all of my makeup. Just kidding, hopefully that won't happen. But, and I'll check in with then. now off shopping, but I'll be back. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the product later. All right, see you soon.